Welcome in Frankfurt, welcome at ZF Aftermarket at Automechanika 2022. We will continue with our next topic, ZF Pro Service CV Workshop Program. Please give a very warm welcome for Jens Uhl.
So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome from my side. It's my pleasure to give you today some insights about our new CV workshop program, which will come soon next year. I will give you and share with you some informations why it is a perfect match for workshops. I will give you some background also what means next generation for service. What does it mean for you as a workshop? And of course, for you as a distributor. And last but not least, how do we want to approach go live next year? The perfect match for workshops. With a perfect match for ZF and WABCO 2 years ago, our product coverage has increased tremendously. It was complemented perfect. We have actually round about 70,000 different items for the independent aftermarket. And in 2022 alone, 340 new product launches. What you can see here on our explosion drawings, you see the whole product portfolio within a truck, a trailer, or a bus. And in addition, with the increasing potential of system integration in commercial vehicles, when it comes, for example, if you think about ADAS, autonomous driving, what we have heard already today, or to other future technologies like e-mobility, we improve continuously our competences and know-how based on our OEM know-how, which is very key for us to provide you in the workshops qualified diagnostic know-how, maintenance support, and of course the right repair solutions. And that in a more and more complex technical world for you in the workshops. And this is that we take care for continuous improvement for our service capability worldwide for you. Next generation of service. We have different workshop programs and concepts in our organization and different levels. That means, for example, when we look to our ZF ProTech program as of today, we have round about 50 ProTech partners for commercial vehicles, which are mainly focused on clutch and suspension and steerings. And this actually in 4 countries in the world. On the other hand, we have so-called ZF service points, 250 in more than 70 countries. And these ZF service points are taking care for transmission and axle business mainly, and are making the vehicle repairs in our fields as arm's length for our ZF service partners. And last but not least now, we have round about 3,500 workshop partners from WABCO taking care for the vehicle control systems. And as you can see here, each of these concepts are focusing more or less a specific product range of our whole portfolio. And instead now of having 3 different workshop concepts, we are combining that and providing you with one global modular workshop program in the future, which can cover at the moment 3,800 workshop partners, and we brand it as ZF Pro Service from next year on. So what does it mean now for you as a workshop? We have set modular approach. The modular concept means whether you are a truck workshop, a trailer workshop, or a bus workshop, or you are covering several of these applications in your workshop. You can create your own service offer, taking advantage of our service brands, SAX, Limförder, and TRW, and you can select now out of 2 basic modules, ZF driveline partner or as a WABCO partner, and can define your combined modification. Basically, these core elements of the well-known concept will retain, but will be harmonized in the future. And so you will get also a contracted authorization after you have passed initial assessment. You will be visualized on our advanced location finder. You will get access to location know-how, technical know-how, and technical trainings especially. And if we have just a number right of this year, 2022, more than 40,000 participants are participating in our trainings, which is called Pro Academy. My colleague will tell you later on a separate presentation. And of course, we have the so-called diagnostic tools and diagnostic competences. At the moment, we have 2 different diagnostic tools in our program. That's the WABCO system diagnostic, and on the other hand, we have the ZF testman diagnostic. And what we, as just an example, are providing now, we are developing one common VCI, that's a vehicle communication interface for the trucks, where you can have only one of that VCI in future instead of 2, to make your world and your life in the workshop easier. That's only one little step. You will get access again to the technical support. You will have on-site visits, which is very important to us. You can be a warranty partner for us. And of course, we are working in partnerships. Next year, we will take care for the new branding of your workshop and CI branding. You will get a lot of marketing support, business opportunities. Let me say an example. It's retrofit, for example, but other solutions are also possible. We are taking care for the qualified service network. You are a part of it. And we do a lot of network promotion, especially for our fleets, where you can benefit out of it. And of course, it is very important to us that we have premium independent workshops which are looking for high quality and premium repair. That is our key, and that's our main intention for our workshop program, that we are always ready with the new technologies in the fields for our customers. And last but not least, we will make you ready for the future. And all in all, it is a unique program for outstanding service quality, personalized for your truck, trailer, or bus workshop. So what does it mean for you as a distributor? We take care, as mentioned, for all the quality products you can use. As I've mentioned already, 70,000 different spare parts at the moment, and that will increase in the future again. We're defining the go-to-market strategy, and it is key for us that we are taking care for qualified CV repair and maintenance. The service quality is what we want to ensure. And the key of that is that we have OEM know-how, and that is what we are transferring to our customers, our workshops, and that we can follow future trends with our intention to have high global reputation. And all this we accompany with active network management. That means we are doing with special tools and processes, looking for the right proximity wherever it is needed, and we are optimizing this network footprint. We call it the optimal service footprint with our technologies and our know-how for you. And therefore, we have defined now the so-called ZF Pro Service Commercial Vehicle Network and workshop program, which should that enable. And on the other hand, you will get out of that qualified workshops as your customers. You will get access to the global network, And you will have also, as already mentioned, the voice of the market back. We will make for you and make network marketing promotion with a wide range of parts and expertise. And all that will lead then into a increased number of potential customers, and the brand marketing channel will help you that we are taking care for the pull effect, what we need at the end for your benefits as well. And that all in close collaboration with you together in a close partnership as we did also in the past. So go live. When we go live, we will not make it overnight. We will do it with a step-by-step approach, and we reach out to you as a workshop in our existing workshops, and our own organization will go into contact in due time that you are informed upfront, step by step, when it comes to the global rollout then in 2023. And we will do that together with you as we have done it in the past to cover and transfer the brownfield into the new world. Are you excited? Let's talk here on our booth or meet us here in our hall in the forum. Thank you very much for your attention and looking forward to see you.
Yes, thank you so much, Jens. I have a few questions. My first question is what I asked myself. What about ZF service partners?
A good question. That ZF service partners, you know, we have several workshop program levels in our organization, and the ZF service partner is a specialized partner which is really focused on not vehicle repairs, but unit repairs in detailed transmissions, axles. So, and with that competences, he has another role in our organization, and he is not part of that program and will stay as it is as of today.
And I asked myself, why does ZF change the current workshop concepts?
The current workshop concepts we are changing because we want to harmonize now 3 different workshop programs and bring it to one as a one-stop shop approach like we do with all the other things as well, and want to combine best of both so that a workshop can have everything out of one hand at the end and has a simplified life for our product portfolio at a glance.
All right, thank you for answering my questions, and this brings us to the end of this presentation, and we can visit you at your booth here, right?
Absolutely, looking forward to see you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Enjoy the day.